Martin Shkreli was banned from the pharmaceutical industry and ordered to repay $64.6 million. On Friday, Judge Denise L. Cote of U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled that Mr. Shkreli had tried to maintain a monopoly over Daraprim through anti-competitive tactics. The lawsuit had been brought by the Federal Trade Commission and the Attorneys General of 7 states, including New York. The judge found that Mr. Shkreli had violated state and federal antitrust laws and that his former company, now known as Pharmaceuticals, had brought in $64.6 million in excess profits from its sales of Daraprim because of that conduct. The court found that under Mr. Shkreli's control, Vira had changed the way the drug was distributed and impeded competition in the generic market. Consumers were harmed by higher prices and fewer options for the drug, forcing many patients and physicians to make difficult and risky decisions for the treatment of life-threatening diseases, the New York Attorney General's office said in a news release. In 2020, the Food and Drug Administration approved the first generic version of Daraprim. The court opinion said Mr. Shkreli's anti-competitive conduct at the expense of the public health was flagrant and reckless. Lawyers for Mr. Shkreli did not immediately return a request for comment on Friday. Mr. Shkreli repeatedly defended his decision to raise the price of Daraprim, saying the profits would allow his company to develop better antiparasitic drugs. When sentenced for his securities fraud conviction, he said he had never been motivated by money and had made mistakes in trying to bolster his reputation.